Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to divide fractions, how to do the division of fractions. So let us take an example. So first I have taken 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 8. So our first fraction is 2 by 3 and second fraction is 5 by 8. So first we will write the first fraction as it is. Now we will write multiplication sign and we have to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So here reciprocal means the numerator will be written in the denominator and denominator will be written in the numerator. After this, just we have to multiply the numerators and we have to do the multiplication of denominators. Right, multiply the numerators and write it in the numerator and multiply the denominators and write the answer in the denominator. So our answer is 16 by 15. So this is how we do division of fractions. Now let us take another example. 6 by 3 divided by 3 by 4. So again here we will write the first fraction as it is, that is 6 by 3. Write the multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Now just we have to do the multiplication of fractions. Multiply the numerators, that is 6 into 4, and multiply the denominators, that is 3 into 3. So after multiplying the numerators, 6 4s are, we will get 24, that we will write in the numerator. Multiplying the denominators, 3 3s are, we will get 9. We will write that in the denominator. Now we got 24 by 9. We can do the cancellation to get the simplest answer. So in the table of 3, after cancelling, we get 8 by 3 as our final answer. 3 3s are 9 and 8 3s are 24. So it became 8 by 3. So this is how we can do the division of fractions. Now let us do this by another simple method. Okay, so now I have taken another example. 2 by 8 divided by 6 by 3. Now first fraction is 2 by 8 and second fraction is 6 by 3. Now here itself we can do the, take the numerator of first fraction and multiply it with the denominator of second fraction, that is 2 from the first fraction and 3 from the second fraction. We are doing multiplication and after multiplying we'll write the answer in the numerator of our answer. So 2 3s gives you 6. So 6 will be written in the numerator of our answer. Similarly, we will multiply the denominator of first fraction with the numerator of second fraction, that is 8 into 6, and we will write that in the denominator of our answer. So 8 into 6 gives you 48. So 48 is the denominator of our answer. Now we can do further cancellation in the table of 6. By cancelling 6 and 48 in the table of 6, we get 1 by 8. Eight 6 are 48. So we get 1 by 8 is as our answer. So this method is called butterfly method of division of fractions. So here we do the division in the question itself. Okay, so let us take another example, that is 7 by 3 divided by 9 by 4. Okay, again here we will multiply the numerator of first fraction, that is 7, with the denominator of second fraction, that is 4. By multiplying 7 into 4, we get 28, that we will write in the numerator of our answer. 7 4s is 28. We will write that in the numerator of our answer. Similarly, so the numerator of our answer is 28. Similarly, we will multiply the denominator of first fraction, that is 3, with the numerator of second fraction, that is 9. By multiplying 3 into 9, we will get 27, and that we will write in the denominator of our answer. So the answer here is 28 by 27. So you can do the division of fractions by this method also. I hope you have understood how to do the division of fractions. Thank you for watching.